Hi guys! I'm so ugly. I'm so shy, but I have to make myself happy because I'm taking care of a pulmonary fibrosis patient. Look at this. We got a harvest. So, from this, yan, kumakatay lang siya sa aming gate. And this is my harvest. And, no, baby. I will have to show to my pulmonary fibrosis patient, my husband. Good morning, my makbabal. Oxygen level 3. I have a harvest. Like the duck. I'll go to the kitchen, ha? I will eat. Okay? I will eat first. Today, July 11, 2025. Huh?